Ciao, I'm Chiara from Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy sunflower. You can use this flower as a decoration on a headband, for example, or as a brooch, or use it to complete every project you want. For this project I used the acrylic yarn Acryli from Mondial and a 4.5mm hook and a 6mm hook. You can find more information in the info box below. First grab the brown yarn and 4.5mm hook, then do a magic ring. So now chain 3 and this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 23 double crochet into the ring. So now we have a total of 24 double crochets, so now pull the tail and close the ring, then join with a slip stitch into the third chain. So now cut the yarn, then weave all the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. So now we are ready to create the petal using the popcorn stitch. So grab the yellow yarn and 6mm hook, then insert the hook into one of these stitches. Now we are going to create the first popcorn stitch. So first chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 4 double crochet in the same stitch. So now remove your hook from the last stitch in this way, then insert it into the top of the beginning chain 3. Then pull the last stitch through the top of the chain 3, and this is the first petal. And now we do one slip stitch into the next stitch. So now repeat this sequence. So first we do a popcorn stitch, so we do 5 double crochets all in the same stitch. So remove the hook, insert the hook into the first double crochet of this group, then pull the last stitch through the stitch in this way, and this is the second popcorn stitch, the second petal. And now we do a slip stitch into the next stitch. And all we have to do now is to continue to repeat this sequence, so let's repeat together one more time. So first we do 5 double crochets into the next stitch here to create a popcorn stitch. So now remove the hook, insert the hook into the first double crochet, grab the loop and pull into this last stitch. So now do a slip stitch into the next. And we continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this round. Do a slip stitch into the last stitch, then cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. So now let me show you the finished little sunflower. This project is very quick and easy to do, so it's perfect for the beginners. I have always loved sunflowers. They are such bright and cheerful flowers. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your sunflowers. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love.